Good evening, my name is Michael Orkubera, and today we're discussing the Bitcoin price surge. It went from $9,850 to $10,152. That's a $400 price increase in just 30 minutes. So Bitcoin has increased its value by over 50%, but we are going to discuss the specifics after the intro. Welcome aboard, everybody. Let's discuss about Bitcoin. It's been making some moves recently, and today it is February 13th. Happy Valentine's Day approaching to everybody. And currently, Bitcoin is at $10,241.37 with a total market cap for all cryptocurrencies at $302 billion. So he surpassed the 300 mark. People were selling off after maybe they were recouping their losses. It's been essentially 2 years of waiting for some individuals. For most who might have sold or bought back in a year ago, it's been a year of waiting. Regardless, it is a long time. People are excited though because the 24-hour volume is $50 billion. That's quite a bit for Bitcoin. So, after breaking the $10,000 mark for the first time in 6 months, the price of Bitcoin shortly fell back below the mark. However, it now appears to have confidently broken through the psychological price point. The price of Bitcoin has jumped over $400, and the sudden upswing in price has led to a disparity of prices across the various crypto exchanges. So some were showing below $10,000, such as Bitmart, others over $10,300. And this has happened throughout the entire history of Bitcoin. Obviously, there's going to be some markets that are selling geographically at different rates, and there's going to be various commissions. There's people who are selling Bitcoin for $11,000 on Paxful. Others can go as high as $15,000, right? And that is for the sketchier purchases where people are willing to pay that amount because they don't want to verify their information through a normal exchange, or they're buying so much that they're just trying to find a Bitcoin vendor. They go through a couple transactions and then they get better deals that way without having to go through an exchange. Sometimes that happens too. Maddie Greenspan, founder of Quantum Economics, has said, "We've been in a raging bull market since the start of this year. This last swing is yet another clear testament to the strong momentum." However, Gavin Smith, CEO of Paxora, took a different approach. He argued that the Bitcoin halving drove down the sudden rally. Bitcoin started rising during a market sell-off triggered by the coronavirus. That was just the short-term catalyst. The underlying driver is the Bitcoin halving event in May. Previous halving events have seen some of the larger participants hold off on releasing Bitcoin into the market in anticipation of a rise into the event. We believe this same dynamic is currently in play. The last couple of months have seen Bitcoin's price break out of a downward trend into a new upward trend. The price of Bitcoin has risen 50% since its lowest point in the last 3 months, up from $6,600. Other cryptocurrencies have joined the trend, with Ethereum rising to $230. That latest price point was quoted, and currently it's at $270. Ethereum's actually been performing better than Bitcoin over the past 24 hours, with a 6.6% increase with Ethereum and a decrease of 0.84% for Bitcoin. Third in command is XRP. Then we have Bitcoin Cash, Bitcoin SV, Litecoin, and EOS. The difference between Litecoin and EOS is very minimal. That's $78 million of a difference. They're both around $5.1 billion. The difference is in price, though. Litecoin is at $80.90 and EOS is at $5.36. And we have the Bitcoin block reward having countdown 88 days and 18 hours, 39 minutes. So we're approaching less than 3 months and we're there. That's including the leap year, folks. Depending at what time you're watching this video, you're probably also seeing on CoinDesk and Cointelegraph, Bitcoin $400 price drop. It faces further downside after rejection at price hurdle, and then it went back up. That is a normal correction here and there. People are getting excited. Either way, it's in an upward trend. The overall bull case will remain valid as long as prices are holding above support near $9,100. So that's quite a fair way to go. But remembering the Bitcoin crash, we all know how quickly that tumbled. Over the past month, the crypto market dominance has changed quite drastically from $218.4 billion to $303.1 billion, meaning that the total market cap has gained 65.92% since the start of 2020. Bitcoin's dominance is down 6% year to date, and most likely it will continue to fall down as all the altcoins gather around and the market caps continue to rise. It's still a very long distance away from the $800-900 billion of 2018, but it's certainly exciting. My name is Mike Kubera, and we shall see you guys later.